The third largest wildfire in the history of the state of Arizona is showing no signs that it is done burning. Flames cover 365 square miles and are being aided by wind, lightning, and dry conditions. The wind is also hampering efforts to fight the wildfire. Gusts of more than 60 miles per hour grounded helicopters that had been dumping water and retardants.
Please get ready now. At that step, if you can get out quickly and move out of town.
The wildfire has forced thousands from their homes. In Eager, Arizona, officials gave a pre-evacuation notice to residents during a community meeting. Officials say about 2,500 personnel are on the scene fighting the blaze, which has cost nearly $8 million to fight so far. Ed Donahue, The Associated Press.